The 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, lane departure warning, remote engine start, stability control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.